In this video, I'm going to show you how I cooked a healthy dinner. If you're interested in seeing what I fixed, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie from CreativelyMsMe, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button that you see down below. Then a bell will appear. Click that bell twice so you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today I am still working on my self-care series. And on this video in particular, I am cooking a healthy meal. Now in this meal, I didn't use any salt. So I want to show you what I prepared. And if you're interested in seeing what I did, then you know what to do. Stick around. Now I'm using this Pyrex pan to cook with. Now I've already taken my chicken and washed it and set it in this marinade for about an hour and a half to maybe 2 hours to let the marinade soak in the meat real good like I wanted it. I'm using chicken strips. I'll also be cooking some broccoli and some long grain rice, wild rice. My husband loves long grain rice. So I'm going to get some foil. As you see, I'm going to be putting this chicken in the oven. So I'm going to put it all on the foil sheet. This is not just one meal. This is maybe 3 days worth of meals here. Now I have my boiler for my wild grain rice. And then the larger pan that I'll be using to steam my broccoli florets. I've only steamed my green vegetables and of course cauliflower. Now the oven is preheating for the chicken. The burners are on under each pot of water. I like for them to boil first before I put my ingredients in. Now the oven was preheated to 420. So it'll be ready to bake my chicken. Now once the water comes to a boil, I will be adding in my ingredients. Now all of it's to boil, so when it comes to a boil with the broccoli, I cut the burner off, pour the broccoli in, and just let the steam cook it. I don't boil it. And then with the rice, it asks for a little butter, so I put a little butter in the pan, and then I will add my rice. Now the rice is turned down to about a 5 on my stove to cook. So now I'm back. The meat is out of the oven. It looks great. Now I'm going to fix up the plates for my husband and myself, and I will be showing you what the finished product looks like. Now, if you haven't gone already to CreativelyMsMe.com, please check out my blog. I have created forms to making planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. And also, if you like my content, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my videos. And always go to the end. There's always something new on the very last screen. And as always, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.